So guys, this is how to animate a liquid FAB buttons in Figma. So first of all, you select a frame. And then you select an eclipse. Change the color to black. You duplicate your eclipse. And reduce the size of this one. And then you group them. Then you add the layer blur. 20. Then you select a rectangle. Cover it up. Change the property to color dodge. Select another rectangle. Change the color to black. And change the property to color bond. Okay? Then you lock it. You can see the smooth liquid animation. Okay? Then you duplicate by holding your Alt key. You drag. Okay? At this point, I want to bring in my icons. Then I'll duplicate this frame with my Alt key. Then I drag. Change this degrees to 0. And then select the eclipse and my icon. Select the eclipse and my icon. Bring it into this, hide it under this. I'll do the same thing for this one. Select the icon too as well. And then I go to my prototype. Select this. Take it to this. I say Smart Animate. I say Gentle. I'll do the same for this. Then